Yeah, so if all you need to do to start working on Kiki is very simple. In fact, you don't need to be a sign up user before you can start generating templates on Kiki. All you just need to do is just few click, go to create card, and we have different categories. Social events, we have broken it down to subcategories. Under social events, you can see as many as possible. Under graduation, business flyers, official event, and so on and so forth. Anything that can warrant a user to design, we've actually streamlined them here. So let's say for instance I want to create an induction template for my class, or let's say I want to do wedding. So all I will just do is go to wedding, and we have as many templates as possible that users can actually select from, and they can start designing their template in few seconds. So if I want to go to graduation for instance, all I just need to do is the same thing. Just click here, and you can see we have different templates that users can actually select from to start designing. So what you need to do, you don't need to know how to design, you don't need anything. So all you just need to do is just put in your information. Okay. So for the purpose of this is a test running template, so I'll be using this for the purpose of the presentation. So all you just need to do is just type. So let's say I want to write induction and oath taking. So I can capitalize it from here. I don't have to retype it. And if I want to make it small letter or title case or uppercase, so all you just need to do this. So if I want to change this one, I can change this one to, let's say, um back Lagos State University. So I can change this one into the medical profession. I'm sorry, profession. Okay, so I can change this one to doctor. Uh, I can change this one to Fadairo. So if I want to make it capital, I can just make it capital letter, and I can change this to my name too. Day Sunday. Okay, so and so on and so forth. So once I'm done, all I just need to do is to click, and you can see on this template you have all those information readily available here. So I can decide to upload my picture in case I have a picture, so I don't need to trust myself. I don't need to know how to design to put the picture, just know how to upload, just know how to click. So let's assume this is the picture I want to use. I'll just fit in the picture and put in the picture. So if I want to apply some effect on those picture, if I want to put filter or any other thing, so I'll just do it here. I can apply and I can decide to skip. So once I do that, you can see automatically the picture reflects here. So if I also have a logo, let's say the logo of the school that I want to put there, I will still go back here and I will upload the logo. So let's assume I have a logo here that I want to use. So if I have a logo, okay, I have one I can use. So I'll just click on this logo, and here we are. So the logo automatically displays there too. I'm not typing anything, I'm not doing anything. The only thing is just to click. Okay. So if I can also decide to change the background. Let's assume I'm comfortable with this. I can decide to change the background, and I can decide to also put some other effects. So let's assume I want to do more of the designing. I can move this here. I want to change the color. I can decide to change the color of the particular text. So let's assume I pick this. So you can see the color has changed, and I can decide to change um the font family too. So let's assume I'm picking this. Okay. So the font family, you can see the font family of the induction and note taking has changed. Okay. So if that's all I have to do, if I have a barcode, let's assume I want to embed the barcode into it. I can just decide to. I don't have to create that one separately. Right on the app, I can say the address is um, is here. Okay, then I click on submit, and the barcode automatically reflects there, so user can scan or do any other thing. So the beauty of Kiki is you can also do a real-time group design. Okay, a multi person group design. So I can be designing from my hand and I can share a link to you to also help me continue the design, okay, or for us to do it live on the application. So all these things are possible, and you can decide to convert your design to an e-commerce design. So also you can decide, let's assume is another template you like here that you want to use. So if it is this, you can just click to on this and it will automatically reflect. You can see I've not changed any information here. Induction and oath taking is what I type into the medical registration. This is my name. I've not changed anything, and the all I just needed to do was to switch, and the whole effect is there. Okay, and if I want to click here, I can also click here and it moves to another template. Okay, so all these things are done automatically, so I'm not changing anything, and everything is switching from one template to another. So easy, so fast. So if I want to also see a gross view of all the designs, I can see here there are samples, there are different templates I can actually use here. Let's assume I want to use this. I'll just click on it, and here we have a full-fledged template readily available. So I can decide to add them to my cost of favorites in case I want to have access to them. So we have as many template as possible in all the categories. Okay, we have them readily available. So you can decide to pick any one of these and use it in few seconds without any need for a graphic design background. Okay, so going back to where I started from, I choose this. Okay, so that's all I need to do. So and once I'm done with the design, I can just click to save. Okay, okay, I've saved. So once I save, I can just click to download. Sorry, um I can click to download. Okay, so I can click to download, so you can see this design. I want to see the full screen before I download. Okay, if it is paid, you pay for it. If it is free, you can just quickly, this one is a free design, so that's why the user can do it. So I can decide to download in PNG, JPEG, PDF or SVG format. So if I want to do, let's say PNG, I can increase the quality. Let's say I want to increase to ultra quality for printing purpose. So I can just click on download and automatically I have the download. So if you look at here, you have the full-fledged template readily available in few seconds without me needing how to know how to download template. Then plus other features, but because of time, I won't be able to present those ones here. But it's so easy, so fast, and so cool.